different face. So today we are going to talk about something interesting. So day number 13, and we'll be talking about the identity management. Although we have seen this, but we'll just quickly touch on this topic and we'll have a short session today. So let me share the screen. Here you go. So we had already seen how blockchain can be used for identity management, right? So today we are going to talk a bit more detail of that. So this is the screen which I am sharing, and let's jump into this, right? So welcome to this day 13. We'll be exploring the fascinating world of identity management, and we'll discuss how blockchain is revolutionizing the way we protect digital identities. So challenges in traditional management system is, we are facing a lot of problems, including the data breaches, identity theft, etc., etc. And centralized database storing sensitive information are vulnerable to cyber attacks, right? And then even the compromising of privacy of the data of the users. And another thing can be relying on third party intermediary for identifying verification. It raises about the data ownership and control. And now, what is the role of blockchain in enhancing security? So the if you can see the screen, so the main thing is by designing blockchain, it ensures the immutability of data, making it tamper resistant and against the unauthorized modification because of the blockchain. Decentralization and encryption in blockchain enhances privacy of the users and reducing the risk of exposing personal information to others, the non the people who don't need it, right? So another thing I wanted to talk about is self-sovereign identity. So here you can see this. So we had seen this briefly earlier. So we'll talk about what is SSI. So self-sovereign identity is a revolutionary concept that empowers individuals to take control of their digital identity. With SSI, individuals own their own identity management and reducing the need for centralized authorities. SSI allows user to selectively disclose identity attributes, granting them greater control who should access what data, right? And blockchain-based identity solutions we can see in the image here. Uh, so blockchain-based identity are gaining transaction and traction in the industry. These solutions offer very verifiable identity credentials using the authenticity of users without relying on central authority. Blockchain-based identity systems find application in online authentication, digital signature, access control, right? So these are the you can see it here, right? How the we have the identity issuer, identity holder, and identity verifier. So the identity holder can control a lot of things, right? He or she can allow. The next thing is real world examples. So let's see if I have. Yeah. So the next thing is real world examples. So this screen shows what are the real world examples, right? So digital passport building built on blockchain technology, that can enhance the border security, streamlining the procedures, and then it can um, help decentralized identity platform allow user to manage their identities across services, reducing the need for multiple logins, right? So that's what the main thing I wanted to discuss. And tomorrow we are going to talk about the healthcare. So we have in today's session what we have done is just to summarize for day number 13 of blockchain. We delved into the world of blockchain identity management, the potentials to protect digital identity, uh, enhance security, and give individual a greater control. Those are the three things we have seen majorly. If you join us for the next episode, right? As I mentioned, it will be healthcare, and We value your feedback, so leave your questions or comments and like. Thanks for watching on Sunday, and tomorrow we'll be back with another exciting topic, right? So thank you so much. Have a wonderful weekend, wonderful Sunday. See